What is this collection? 70 bucks for this fucking dog shit? Disgusting. Do they even care about the fucking players? The audacity to release a collection with such fucking dirt. It's fucking dog. Dog. Ooh. Shee! Shee! The thing is, though, even though it's a cool butterfly knife, this shit looks like it's a fucking piece of shit plastic fucking toy out of the fucking 5-year-old Toys R Us fucking box. What is this? This is this is a children's game, so that kind of makes sense for them to release a knife that is good for kids, I guess. But if it was an adult's game, then this would be fucking weird to release.